I got room to play with all of my hoses. Morning. That's the way to start it off, with a bit of, tailpipe exclamation point, like just stink it right in there. Probably. Wow, I can smell it from here. Whew. We're getting the turbo off. So, we're going to get the turbo off. I got the water lines undone. I got to drop the oil lines off of it. The oil return line, I can pop that off because I don't have a lot of room for it. The oil supply line, I have a lot of room for it. I got room to play with all of my hoses. It's private. I got to get the battery tray off. That's what I'm after. And of course, I moved everything. Buried the toolbox there, so I can't just get in here easy. We gotta kind of walk around everything now. So let's grab a swivel just in case we need it. Ouch, that's my shin. That's a box. That's a there we go. Here. I am here. Hear me roar. Oh yeah, we definitely need the jet swivel here. Oh yeah, we're on out. Okay, we got anything down here? No. Good. Zoom. That one's out too. Let's not crank that all the way out. Alright, get up there. Here's the battery tray. We'll set that over here amongst the batteries, right on top of the terminals. We're going to light everybody up. I know you can't see what I'm doing. When I put the turbo on, I'll figure out where to stick you over here. Okay, now I gotta pop this boy here off. You're kind of in my road, by the way. I'm working around you. Oh, there we go, yeah. How much? Oh, that kind of hurt as I punch the turbo. Punch it! Might be able to get a wrench in there. Let's see if we can do that. Yeah, I'm gonna get covered in oil here. Are you recording? You are. Good. You don't get to miss this bit. Let's just turn you that way. Alright, let's give this a try here. And see if you're gonna see nothing but arms or nothing but legs. Or nothing but fingers being smashed. Probably nothing but an arm. Yeah, it's awesome. That's all oil. It's not even soot. All right, I forgot to turn you on. I got it out. It's right there. There's the exhaust port. You can see it's nice and dry. I don't see any oil in there. That means the turbo died a horrible, horrible, horrible death. It was bleeding its black juice out both holes. That's not a good thing. You don't want to bleed black juice. Nope. So that's a dead turbo. The new one, old one. Sorry, that's the, there we go. Right over there. Yeah. See it? There's the new old one. We're getting ready to put that one on now. All right. Here we go. Both turbos. I need to transfer over some bits and pieces here. We're gonna pop those off right now. How long you had this toolbox now? Jeez, you still get the drawers wrong. Nope. 11. What about you? You're an 11 too. You're a 12. I got a 12 here. Settle down now. There we go. She's a wee bit spicy on there, or loosey-goosey, however you want to call it. Nope, I think that's tightening. Let's try loosening. At here is to make sure that we're gonna match up where the holes are. One, the holes there, the camera died, so I don't know where you got left. Took the feed and the return line off of the other one. We're just gonna stick them on here. Gonna grab a 12 mil. I had a 12 millimeter sitting right there. Let's drop the torquelages down. Yeah, blows through. That's good. Don't want it starving oil now that it's going to be oil dry. Whatever. Okay, so this turbo has the water outlets up here. Sorry, back here. Kind of like that. I think I'm going to stick with that, because what I can do with the ones that I had on here, they were here and here. So I had an inlet and an outlet, and I had them separated. Well, I didn't like how they came in close to here, so I'm going to stick with this. That way I can bring my water cooler lines off of the firewall this way and around. Even if I got to get more line, that takes me away from the heat of the manifold. I kind of like that better. So, yeah, fun, joy. I should, you know, put it on. I don't want to. It's heavy. it down there for now. I want to look at this one. So, this one is the one that shit the bed. Fred died, calved, gave up the ghost, blew its last high pressure, blah. I don't know how else to explain it. It did. It did, Fred. Yeah, I think it's this one. I lied. I thought it was the other one. Oh, yeah. And she's still bleeding. She's bleeding on the table there. The black, she's letting the black goo out. Okay, I'm not going to split this off completely. Oh, I have to. Kerbang, kerboom. And then probably going to be wrong, whatever I'm going to do. So I do not suggest copying anything of this dismantle. This is a turbo that's gone bad, and I am not scared to show it who's boss, probably to its peril. Turbos are delicate. They're like women. You never want to use any more force than needed, ever. Lay money on it. Turbo shop guys are probably like, no, don't do that. Oh, look at the oil. Look at the oil right here. The whole housing in here is soaked. But the housing doesn't look terrible. Oh, yeah. Something was banging around on her in there. Don't know. Okay, so, yeah. Not the proper way to take a turbo apart. Yeah. That didn't work. Like I said, it's a dead turbo. Cost me 150 bucks. I'm helping balance it. Yeah. I don't know, not particularly sure why it's so freaking tight. Mommy. Yep. Remember, it's going for a rebuild. Closed for business. I don't know. That's just, I don't know. It's terrible. I don't know. It goes. Except I never made this one go. My pickup truck, it does. This one did the. Dead.